Welcome to our channel. Today we how to fix MoneyGram login issues, account and access errors step by step clearly. First, confirm you are using the official MoneyGram website or the official MoneyGram mobile app. Next, check your internet connection by opening another secure website to confirm it loads normally. Close the MoneyGram app completely or close all browser tabs. Then reopen it to start fresh. Make sure your email address or mobile number is typed correctly with no spaces at the beginning or end. Re-enter your password carefully and check that caps lock and keyboard language are not causing mistakes. If you used a password manager, type the password manually to rule out an autofill error. Tap or click Forgot Password and reset your password using the email or SMS link provided. Create a strong new password that you have not used before on MoneyGram. After resetting, wait a few minutes, then try logging in again to avoid temporary security blocks. If you see an account locked message, stop trying repeatedly and follow the unlock instructions on screen. Check your email inbox and spam or junk folder for MoneyGram verification or security emails. Complete any required email or phone verification, because unverified accounts may be blocked from login. Update the MoneyGram app to the latest version from the App Store or Google Play. If you use a browser, clear cache and cookies, then restart the browser and try again. Try an incognito or private window to test whether extensions or saved data are causing the problem. Disable VPNs, proxies, and ad blockers temporarily, because they can trigger security checks. Set your device date and time to automatic, because incorrect time can break secure login sessions. Try logging in from a different device or a different network to isolate the issue. If you get an access denied or something went wrong error, switch from Wi-Fi to mobile data or vice versa. Make sure you are in a supported country or region for MoneyGram online services, if applicable to your account. If you recently changed your phone number or email, update your profile details as soon as you can access the account. If two-factor authentication is enabled, request a new code and enter it immediately before it expires. If you are not receiving codes, check signal strength, SMS blocking apps, and whether your number can receive short codes. Review any notifications about suspicious activity and confirm it is you when prompted. Avoid multiple rapid login attempts, because this can cause automatic temporary restrictions. If the app crashes during login, uninstall and reinstall the MoneyGram app, then sign in again. If you still cannot access your account, contact MoneyGram support and provide the exact error message and time it occurred. Keep your account secure by never sharing your password or verification codes with anyone. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.